Welcome to our guided meditation on breath awareness. This is a short 10-minute meditation, and once you become comfortable with the technique, of course, you can do this for as long as you like. Let's come into our comfortable seat. First finger and thumb together with the hands either down or up, whichever you choose. Let's start over. I'm going to just make a quick comment.
Okay. That was a good start. Nice and calm.
Okay. Welcome to our breath awareness guided meditation. This is a 10-minute meditation. You are welcome to learn this technique and then do it longer, as long as you like. And you can watch our video on the technique itself of how to learn to do this practice. Let's come into the comfortable seat. We bring the first finger and thumb together with the palms facing down for grounding or facing up for awakening. We'll close our eyes. We begin to bring our awareness to our breath. And we choose the point in the body to feel the breath moving, either the abdomen moving in and out, or the chest rising and falling. Or you can choose to bring the awareness to the space between the nose and the upper lip and feeling the breath flowing there. Find one point and keep the awareness there. And as you breathe, allow the body and face to be relaxed. The eyes gently dropping down with the eyes closed. Moving to the next stage, we gently bring longer breaths down to the belly. And as you breathe in, follow the flow of the breath coming in through the nose, down through the body, and into the belly. And as you breathe out, follow that breath flowing from the belly up through the body and out through the nose. To stabilize your mind, you may count the breath cycle. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2, and so on, in your own rhythm. When you get to 10, start the counting again at 1. Gently letting go of control of the breath. allowing the breath to become shorter. Continuing to follow the flow. As you inhale, the breath moves through the nose, down through the body and into the belly. As you exhale, following the breath flowing from the belly up through the body and out through the nose. You may continue to count the breath to stabilize the mind. Gently shifting the awareness now to the nose, and feeling which side of the nose, which nostril is more open. Bringing the awareness into one side, one nostril, and finding the one point where you feel the breath flowing with the strongest sensation. And allow your mind to merge with that one point. The breath is natural and effortless, becoming more subtle. As you observe the breath flowing, caressing this one point, you find a moment of stillness at the end of each breath. Allowing the body and mind to relax into the pause, the stillness at the end of every breath. gently letting go of the practice, keeping the eyes closed. Taking a moment to observe your internal state. With this, we come to the end of our practice. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. You're welcome to practice this on your own when you become comfortable with the steps, and of course you can do this for longer if you like. Wishing you all the best.